Hi everybody, so this is our rainbow nails. I am starting off with this lovely blue colour. It is called Blue Eyes and it is from Halo. I'll be doing 2 layers of this blue colour in the lamp for 30 seconds each time. So this beautiful shimmery effect is actually called Hologram from Halo, and it has a beautiful shimmer. It's really sparkly and lovely. So next up, I'm coming in with my dotting tool to make my rainbow. I use these dotting tools because they're really easy to use. I prefer them because they're a bit like using a pen. So if you're used to using a pen to do your designs, then it is perfect for you. They come in lots of different shapes and sizes, so they are ideal to do designs with. Some people prefer using a brush, and that's fine, but it's just your personal preference. So this little tool that you see me flash curing with is a little mini torch, and it's great for designs. I also use it with my extensions, and I got that from eBay. You can also get them from Amazon. They're really handy for if you're doing designs. There is the top coat, and there is my final rainbow nail. I'm just going to speed through with the other colours that I have done. The colours I've used are Bubblegum Pink, R Fab and Mint from Halo, and I've kind of kept them all the same for each nail, so the designs are in the colours I haven't used as the base. Also the French white is used for the clouds and a top coat too. So I'm just going to whiz through all the different designs I'm making. Hope you enjoy them. for watching my video, everyone. Here is my final 5 rainbow nail designs. I shall be uploading a video very soon, and I hope you have a lovely day.